हमने राउरकेला से पुरी तक ट्रेन जर्नी में काफ़ी नई चीज़ विटनेस की और ट्रेन में क्या क्या एमिनिटीज़ मिलती है उससे बारे में भी जाना। Do you know what else made this journey special? Stay tuned because we are about to unveil the delectable meals served on board the train. ट्रेन ट्रैवल जर्नी के टाइम में फूड सबके लिए ही टॉप प्रायोरिटी में रहता है। सो लेट्स सी कि वंदे भारत ट्रेन में हमें क्या क्या मिलता है। हमें मिली कचौरी, कैरेमल पॉपकॉर्न, salted nuts, mango fruit drink, peanut chicky, and chocolate croissant. Which among these will you take bite of? We track the journey end to end using Speedometer mobile app. Watch till the end to know the complete statistic. We received dinner just before arriving at the Cuttack station at around 7:30 p.m. There was chapati, paneer curry for veg and chicken curry for non-veg meal, dal, rice, matar aloo, curd and sweet. Taste was good but it was slightly oily. I do not prefer too much masala in my meal, so the food was little bit masaledar for me. We stayed overnight at Puri and took the return train the next morning. Soon after departing, we were given latest newspaper and water bottle. Later, tea was served with biscuits. Passenger can also ask for additional cup of tea or coffee. While enjoying our beverage, we were greeted with mesmerizing nature beauty outside. Finally, breakfast was served. It includes veg cutlet, bread, omelette, mango juice, and bread butter. कैबिन्स में इमरजेंसी टॉक बैग यूनिट और फर्स्ट एड किट बॉक्स अवेलेबल है जो इजीली एक्सेसिबल है। Finally, let's move to the washroom. It has automatic soap dispenser and hand dryer which makes it convenient to wash hands. The train covered a distance of over 503 km at an average speed of 68 km per hour. Max speed was 142 km per hour. Have you traveled in Vande Bharat Express? How was your experience? Do comment below. See you in the next video. Lots of love. Take care and keep exploring. Goodbye.